In this video, I am going to show you something different that you never seen in any other Telegram mini application. Currently, I am on a Telegram mini app that name is Hcoin, and that bot I created or built. That's what I like to say. Now, that is a complete Telegram mini app where have everything like mining system, tax system, invite and leaderboard that's need a mini app. Perfect. If now how you can earn from this Telegram mini app. Basically, I design this Telegram mini app uh, earning model as smartly, you can say that, because a user if a user want to get 10,000 H coin, then he need to do a transaction, and in case you will get some money, and there have a mining system. Here you can see user can mine 8,515 point per 10 minute. Now if a user want to increase that profit uh, or mining reward, then they can boost. Now in case you will earn a lot of money, suppose uh, suppose currently my 10 minute in my 10 minute mining I get 8,500 point. Now if I want to make some extra, like if I want to add more 4,275 coin plus, then I need to give 10 ton. Did you know how much is 10 ton? That is $15. Yeah, I see a similar application on a very high uh, here I see a similar application that have uh, almost 2,000 active user. Here you can see I already see a similar kind of project that name is Tonvix, and there have 245,000 active subscriber here. So they are doing the same thing, and if I click here payment proof, here you can see they are doing the same thing, and the user they are boost. Awesome. Now how you will get, now one more question, how you get that super duper Telegram mini application source code? That source code price is $109. Now if you are interested to buy that source code, then please check out the description box and contact me on my Telegram. Then I will assist you how you can get the source code. Thanks, and I am invite you on my another video. So for getting the invitation later, you need to subscribe that channel. So till then, tada.